Hi class, we are going to now create the wall framing, which is due on February 15th. It's on drawing 4-6 in the book. It's at the end of the section. They have a list of all the drawings, and this is wall framing with your initials is going to be the final file. So I'm going to start a new file here, and I'm going to go File New and use my architectural template. And I will show you the book here for a second. So in the book, we find this drawing in section 4.6. So we're going to draw the framing. It's going to be 16 inches on center. The framings are 2x members, which are 1.5 inch thick. And the joists are 10-inch joists, and they are also 1.5 inch thick. This is a header, which would be a 2x6. And this is the foundation. As we scroll down the screen, let's see, drawing 4.6. We've got some dimensions here. The wall framing. So it's an overall height of 9'4". You've got a 4x6 sill, so that'll be a 6-inch piece of wood, 5.5 inches tall nominally. And 2x10-inch floor joist is 9.5 inches tall by 1.5 inches wide. The 1-inch subfloor is a nominal distance of 3/4 inch. The 1-inch finished floor is about 3/4 of an inch also. It may be thicker if you're using a tile or a 3/4 inch thick wood floor. The openings, it's a 5-foot wide opening, and then they have 2 trimmer studs on each opening and a 6-inch, this is a 4x4 header there, so it's 3.5 inches tall, and 2 2x4 inch plates. Each of those are 1.5 inch tall, and our studs will be in there at 16 inches on center, which is a very generic spacing for studs. They have an interesting way of starting the assignment, so we'll do that. We're going to do a rectangle, and we're going to place our rectangle at this point, and then do a relative, type in 15 foot to 9'4". This is our entire area of the wall, and they have you, I guess, explode it, huh? This one we're going to offset. And we're going to do a rectangle, draw a 2x10. A 2x6, 2x10. 1.5, comma, 9.5. Do our first one. And we'll save our file. We'll call this wall framing DS.